Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you'll get post alerts every time we post a new video. Also, if you want to join VIP, one of the most legendary groups out there, just click join, go to the home page, click join. Third tier, that's gonna give you all access to every single play that we enter and exit, guys. You even gonna have the full plan. You'll know exactly where you're getting out to make money and also where to sell for a strategic small loss. So that's being calculated with every move that you make. And that's how you be successful doing this, guys. So you definitely want to take heed of that. Also, let's go ahead and cover, a few stocks we'll be looking at going into next week. Also share our opinion on what we believe the market behavior will look like. And like I love to say, guys, opinions don't matter. So don't take people's opinions, not mine, not other people's, or your own, and run with it and feel as if you got to stick with that going into the next trading day. You definitely gotta form your opinion, have an idea, but don't be fall in love with it. You get what I'm saying? Let the market decide whatever it decides, and you play it accordingly. So I just want to put that out there, guys. So don't, you know, put all your eggs in one basket or put too much into something because you hear somebody sharing their opinion on it. So, anyways, go ahead and dive right into it, guys. Last week was a phenomenal week in VIP. Every single play called out was a hit. We made money on it. Every single play. And Friday was a day off. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all hits. Some days, multiple plays. Friday, I'm like, I'm not even about to risk it. But I still threw out some bones, basically a bone for people to catch. You feel me? If they wanted it. Meaning, like, I had stated in the video the night before, you can go look at the track record. I told people that UnitedHealth is looking like it's ready to take off very, very soon. And what happened? It ended up dipping that day as well, but it ended up being up the end of the day, like a roller coaster. It shot up, shot down, then shot up the end of the day. So I told people to watch for that. I even told VIP what to look for. Blase whoop whoop. So anyways, that's the video. That's what this video is about right here tonight. I believe that is going to start trending to the upside. The Knicks definitely going into tomorrow, I believe so, and maybe the day after as well. I do believe it could possibly go back down, but just like with Coinbase, it had ended up running up on last week, and then all of a sudden they said hackers hacked and said they want $20 million unless they gonna give people information out and shit like that. And they like that junk just blew over. They like, bro, we're gonna put 20 million on your head. The CEO of Coinbase was like, we're gonna put 20 M's on your head basically for somebody to give me the information on you, and we're gonna go from there with that. And so you feel me? That blew over. Coinbase was up the next day. Same thing with this investigation that's going on with UnitedHealth though definitely could be a deep rabbit hole. But I believe, you got insiders buying, they loading up on this stock. So when you got insiders buying millions of dollars worth, they're not just going to throw that money away. They know something. Even without knowing that information, I already feel, I see it all the time. A company can report horrible earnings and the damn stock shoot up 100%. Don't make no sense. Company can report phenomenal earnings and the damn stock tank 30%. So it's like same thing with this situation. The stock already like well oversold, especially if they end up, coming out with news that this isn't as deep as people made it seem. You get what I'm saying? But if they come out and say it is bad, then we could probably see another drop. But I don't think it probably end up being as bad as people making it seem. Even if it is that bad, they can do everything they can to help this company because this is America's one of America's largest damn largest healthcare company type shit worldwide. So this definitely is going to be a major impact on a lot of higher ups, people that's in the like Trump and his boys and all that type. They all invested in this type shit. 90% of this stock is owned by institutions. So that should tell you everything right there. But just like when Tesla was going on and Trump was out there on the grass talking he buying a Tesla and blase woo woo, basically trying to promote it, saying that it was illegal to boycott companies in America, blase woo woo, trying to help his boy out. And it damn sure did. And now you see he tweeted, good time to buy stocks, the stock market did all that. All that goes into play with this stock in particular, UnitedHealth. I believe. And that's not a guarantee though. I done seen some stocks that was too big to fail and they failed. They came back, but they failed. Like they was at $300-400 and went down to $2. So shit can happen. But you just want to be careful, want to be safe. Regardless, I always say aim small, miss small, so you can be on the right side of the stick. Because a big amount can turn into a small amount or a bigger amount, but a small amount can only turn into a big amount. Hell, it's already small. Ain't small, miss small. So you already know, but going into tomorrow though, the market I do believe is going to be choppy. If you paid attention, the market started to be mixed, meaning you had the SPY up, you had certain stocks down, that usually follow along with the market. So you got the SPY up, you had certain stocks like Meta down on Friday, Tesla, I think it was down but then shot up at the end of the day. You had it was just all over the place. So you had to really be very, very picky and pick particular stocks in order to be in your favor. So that's when, I hate when the market get mixed and be tricky like that. But sometimes I like it because you're able to, get opportunities. Because whenever the market going all in one way, and say if you just want to put 1,000 or 2,000 on your trades for that day, it's like, you gonna miss it, the other shits, which is okay though. Don't never worry about missing no trade. What I'm saying is everything running together. Like you can't put all your money in like everything type shit. And that y'all wouldn't advise it anyway, because what if it change directions? Now you losing all those positions. But just whenever it is a mixed market, is what I'm saying, you're able to capitalize off your favorite plays one at a time type jump. So you already know, man. Like I say, add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Feel free to DM me on Instagram for one-on-one, anything like that. And like we know, I'm going to tomorrow watching Coinbase, Meta, Tesla, UnitedHealth, of course, that's number one. Him and hers, super microcomputer. Just want to see how the overall market do. It's definitely, I feel like, a healthy little correction, little pullback. Even though it done, had this crazy downturn that we experienced, but I still believe on the way back up, we still gonna have some choppiness. So I do see, probably a pullback happening, unless Bitcoin is then shot back to 106,000 as well. But I see it's mixed though, so I just believe it will be mixed though going into tomorrow, as it was on the end of last week. You're gonna have certain stocks up, some down, some sideways. So we just gonna let Monday play out, guys. But definitely have your eyes and your ears listen out for anything on UnitedHealth, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy. Love y'all. Y'all and God bless you.